What if the weirdest thing about 2025 isn't the tech itself, but the way we're using it? Tonight, 11 AI uses that feel like a sci-fi short story, until you realize they're real. Number 11. Phones that parent your phone. Your screen is watching your screen. New smartphones are shipping with on-device AI that scans what's on display in real time. Videos, DMs, even search results, and quietly flags or blurs nudity, self-harm, and other unsafe content. Parents can lock it on. Teens can't easily turn it off. It's content moderation as a built-in reflex, like a digital gag reflex for your pocket. Helpful? Maybe. But here's the eerie twist. The filter learns from what you look at. Your phone isn't just guarding you from the internet, it's learning what you're tempted by. Number 10. A robot painted the King Ewing. In Geneva this year, Ada, the world's eerily lifelike robot artist, unveiled a portrait series of King Charles III. Not a camera filter, not a projector. Ida actually saw, planned, and painted, stroke by algorithmic stroke. The paintings aren't just copies, they're interpretations with odd emphases and choices that make critics argue. Is this creativity or an extremely good mirror? Either way, a machine put brush to canvas and captured a head of state. That's not a metaphor anymore. Number 9. The rise of AI slop. Remember when the internet felt big? Now it feels bloated. Bookstores, music platforms, even academic journals are fighting floods of AI-generated junk. Passable but hollow copies that drown out the real thing. It's like an invasive species of content. The creepy part isn't that it's bad, it's that some of it is good enough to pass. So you keep reading, keep streaming, not realizing you're snacking on synthetic calories. Full, but never fed. Number 8. Algorithms as oracles. Robot priests deliver sermons. Entire church services run on AI-generated prayers and avatars. In Japan, a humanoid preacher recites the Heart Sutra to packed halls. In Europe, congregations have tested fully AI-led services. Songs, homily, blessings, the lot. And online, fortune tellers, astrology bots, and spiritual advisors, powered by large language models, spin personalized prophecies on demand. The modern confessional has a progress bar, and it remembers everything you ever told it. Number 7. Vibe coding, this year's buzziest tech phrase, vibe coding. Translation: you describe the thing you want, and the AI writes the app, UI, backend tests, while you nod, nudge, and hit run. Non-coders are shipping tools in a weekend. Companies are prototyping full features in a day. Feels like magic until you peek under the hood. The code compiles, the demo dazzles, and somewhere an unseen edge case is quietly sharpening its teeth. Do you ship the vibe or audit the ghost that wrote it? Number 6. Machines reading your face at the interview. Plenty of hiring platforms still lean on AI to screen applicants, analyzing speech, transcripts, and work samples at scale. But the unsettling cousin, emotion analysis and AI lie detection from video, has run into a wall. Major vendors walked it back after accuracy and bias concerns, and new rules in Europe explicitly restrict emotion recognition at work. Here's the tension. The tech keeps improving at saying who's a fit, while regulators keep asking fit according to whom. The algorithm can't read your soul, but it might still decide your salary. Number 5. AI that helps raise your kids. Bedtime stories spun up in seconds. Smart speakers that adapt to your child's mood. Baby cams that don't just detect motion, they flag unusual behavior, strange visitors, or a cry that sounds off. Parents call it peace of mind. Critics call it surveillance creep starting at age 2. The modern lullaby comes with push notifications and a log. Number 4. Dream decoding, kind of. Scientists are using brain scanners plus generative models to reconstruct rough images of what you're seeing, and they're inching toward translating internal imagery. Meanwhile, consumer apps offer instant Freudian, Jungian, or Gestalt breakdowns of your dreams from a single paragraph. The eerie part is the direction of travel, from tell me your dream and I'll spin a story to wear this and we'll try to see it. Today it's blurry art. Tomorrow, what if your mind's late-night trailer has a replay button? Number 3. Companions. From girlfriends to ghosts, AI partners have gone mainstream. Virtual influencers, AI girlfriends, avatars that talk back in your favorite voice and say exactly what you want to hear. It's lucrative, addictive, and sometimes dangerous. People fall in love, cross wires, and get hurt. On the other end, grief tech builds chatty memorials of the dead from voice notes and texts, letting you call a person you can't call anymore. For some, it's closure. For others, it's a haunting that never ends. Love and loss, both rendered in silicon, both charging by the minute. Number 2. The farm that watches back, cameras above the milking parlor. Vision models tracking every cow's gait, body condition, and stress. No collars, no chips, just pattern spotting. The system pings the farmer days before a human would notice a limp. Another startup tags cattle by face like a barnyard passport. It's clinical, it's efficient, and it whispers a bigger truth. If AI can read a herd from overhead, what does it read when it looks at us? Number 1. The toilet that knows you. Smart toilets move from lab demos to serious pilots, computer vision, flow meters, and AI that grades stool form and color, analyze urine, and alert your doctor if something looks off. Some prototypes even ID you biometrically, yes, by that, and build a private health baseline over time. It's preventative medicine in porcelain. It's also the most intimate data you'll ever generate, sent somewhere you'll never see. Creepy? Absolutely. But here's the final twist. Almost all of these started as safety features, productivity hacks, or acts of care. The line between helpful and haunting isn't in the code, it's in how we use it. If you like this flavor of unsettling truth, hit subscribe.